I believe that they should take Penei Sewell. I believe that somehow, some way, that the Cincinnati Bengals will do the right thing and take Penei Sewell. But I also know that if history tells us anything, Mike Brown doesn't value offensive linemen. He had $40 million in cap space and wasted it. He didn't go and fix that offensive line.
He said Jamar Chase and Joe he can make Joe Burrows even much more comfortable back in the LSU days.
Yeah,
that's why they're taking Chase.
Yeah, by the way, you want to bring that offensive line into the AFC North, Jamar Chase, it's going to be everyone chasing Joe Burrow because there's going to be no offensive line there to protect him. The pick is in. The Bengals, 29th in pass blocking win rate a season ago. Joe Burrow sacked 32 times in the first 10 games, second among quarterbacks during that span. He finished as the third most sacked quarterback and didn't even play the last 2 months of the season. Yeah, come on, Bengals. Get him a wide receiver. That's going to protect him.
He was sacked 32 times. How many sacks did he avoid? Another 32? 64.
Here we go, Brownies. Here we go.
I mean, who's sitting in the Bengals seat? Is there a fan?
I mean, I don't know. It's Mike
should
Brown.
Be in Tiger Stripes.
It's Mike Brown.
Here we go.
All right, the pick is in. We now send it to ESPN.
With the fifth pick in the 2021 NFL Draft, the Cincinnati Bengals select Jamar Chase, wide receiver, LSU.
What is wrong with them?
Wow.
As a Browns.
Look, he's a terrific player.
Listen to this.
Before I understand your feelings. Many people will feel the same way. They should get protection for Joe Burrow, and maybe as the draft goes on, they will. But you know better than anybody from LSU, this is a special receiver.
Well, he's a special receiver. He's an X-receiver. You can put him out there against the best DBs in the NFL and say, hey, I'm not going to run motion for you. I'm not going to do anything. It's going to be one-on-one coverage, and you can go out there and win.
Listen, so that's absolutely ridiculous. That's absolutely ridiculous. They did it. The Cincinnati Bengals. Did they ever say the Browns being the Browns? That's the Bengals being the Bengals. And that's the AFC North. By the way, think about this. The Cincinnati Bengals have spent $250 million over the last 2 off seasons. You would think if you spend that much money that that's good enough to get you to maybe, I don't know, at least second in your division. They've spent all that money. And they're going to be last in the AFC North. That defense that they put all that money into this offseason, they're the 4th best defense in their own division. The wide receiver, Jamar Chase, that they just got because, Joe Burrow really likes playing with them at LSU. That's super. Good luck having time to throw it to him. The Cincinnati Bengals are the dumbest organization in football. I said it from the beginning. They did not deserve Joe Burrow. They still don't deserve Joe Burrow. He deserves better. I'm annoyed. I'm not anti-Joe Burrow. I'm anti-Cincinnati Bengals for that stupidity. Keith, they watched him go down. They look at the scar on his knee. He had a season-ending injury, and that wasn't enough to wake Mike Brown up. Remember the shot of Mike Brown falling asleep in the press box? He's still asleep. They haven't woke him up yet.
I gave you a hint right before the pick. They want him to be comfortable with his LSU teammate. Last time they were teammates, they were undefeated, celebrating in Louisiana and a national championship.
You think that's going to happen here?
Not a national championship.
Nope. Go Tigers.
Go Tigers.
All right, folks. That wraps it up for us here today. We got to the Bengals pick. My blood pressure's still high. I'm a Browns fan. I have no clue why I'm so passionate about who the Cincinnati Bengals take. But with that being said, tune into the Justin Kinner Show with Kevin Nash tomorrow for the latest Justin Kinner 30 for 30. I have a brand new 30 for 30 that I'm excited to roll out tomorrow. Bengals fans, you don't want to miss it. Tune in tomorrow to the Justin Kinner Show. Yeah, Keith says, Kev, call off tomorrow, bro. Not enough dump buttons in the world. There you go. Not just for me. Not just for me. Keith, thank you. Kev, thank you for putting up with me for 2 additional hours today. We appreciate everyone who tuned in on Facebook and on YouTube. There you go.
I'm on vacation next week, so it's all good.
Yeah, you guys, everyone's leaving.